welcome back to Embers and Ash. My name's Ashley, if you didn't know, and today we're doing my new home tour. We aren't moving in until tomorrow, but I wanted to give you guys a look at the house before we move in and before we fill it up with furniture. So stay tuned for our move-in vlog, which will be coming out later on this week. But let's get started with the tour. So this is the entryway that we were just standing in. This house was built in the 70s and it's very much a standard home. There's nothing too crazy about it, which you will be seeing coming up. Moving on this way is the living room. This is the living room. A couple things that I really like about this place is how big the window is in here. I've never had a living room where our couch can go up against the window, and I'm really looking forward to that because I can like sit and look out the window. I just think that's gonna be fun. The thing I'm most excited about is that it actually has a real fireplace, which has been one of my dreams, to be able to have a real fire in my home. It's just the most cozy thing for the winter time. Out of all the perks in this house, that's the one I'm most excited about. We are gonna be doing some renovations upstairs here, but not for a while because we have to do a full reno downstairs. Just to give you an idea, we will be replacing this mantle, putting in some built-in storage units, obviously painting the walls. And then this room is connected to the dining room over here. It is not huge by any means, but it will hold a table, which is more than what I have now, which is no dining room. And then we just have the sliding glass door that leads out to the backyard, but we'll go out there later. And then through this little entryway, we have the kitchen. We will be taking this wall out to make this space open concept and also add some storage to the kitchen. We want to put an island in with cabinets underneath, but for now, this is completely fine. The previous owners did renovate this kitchen before we moved in. Wasn't anything intense. All they did, I think, was just replace the cabinets, but whatever. We're gonna be doing a pretty decent reno in here anyways. Yeah, I also just love how big this window is here that looks onto the backyard. I want to put a planter box in front of the window so I have beautiful flowers to look out on. There's nothing wrong with the size of this kitchen, but because we're going from a fairly large kitchen to this, I think we're gonna have a little bit of issue with storage, but I'm sure we'll figure it out in the meantime. Josh was talking about making a little temporary pantry thing. I don't know, we'll see. What is that? What is that? Okay, this is leaving. I don't know what it is, but it's leaving. It might be the doorbell. Okay, this is our beautiful hallway. We have a closet here that we're gonna turn into our laundry setup because our laundry is currently downstairs and we're gonna move it up here. We also have this little linen closet, which I honestly forgot we had, and I'm really excited about because as you can kind of tell, there's not a lot of storage in this house as it is right now, so that's gonna be really handy. And then we have our bathroom here. We only have one bathroom in this place. It's fine, it's orange, we're gonna paint it. I didn't look at the tub when we were touring this house. I actually didn't look at anything super close because the market's crazy and I didn't think we would get this place, and we got it. I'm happy about it, just didn't think we would get it, so I didn't invest a lot into it. Anyways, this is the tub. It's super weird. I'm not excited about it, but that's fine. We're gonna reno it, we're gonna change it. Yeah, it's fine. And then we have the master bedroom and the second bedroom. We'll do the master first. I think it's smaller than our old bedroom, but again, that's not a big deal. It works. There's a window. We have only one closet in this bedroom. You guys know how much I appreciate having two closets in our current bedroom. It just saves Josh and I from potential marital disputes because we have our own space. But this is fine. It's again smaller than our individual closets, but we were very spoiled to have two closets anyway, so. And then it also connects to the bathroom here. I would like to put either a pocket door or a barn door in so that this door isn't in the way of the tub and such. Okay, now let's go to the spare bedroom. Here is Brooke's room. It's definitely smaller than there's a trend here. A lot of the rooms are smaller than our current place, which is funny because we did move into a bigger home. I think the space got taken out of the rooms and put into the dining room, if that makes sense. Apparently Rook can have a TV if he wants in here. Don't know if that's gonna happen. And he gets his own closet, which is huge because you guys know that the closet in his room right now is being used for storage. So yeah, it'll be nice to just put all of the baby stuff in here and not just all over the house. We were really looking to increase our storage with buying a new home. Not to say that we needed extra bedrooms or anything, but it was really vital for us to have a garage and ideally a shed. And we did get both those things with this house. The garage is going to be used as a workshop, but it also has the storage capacity for like camping gear, etc. So that's really nice because it doesn't need to stay in our living space, which is huge. I also forgot to mention that this place is 900 square feet upstairs, which is our living space. So it's not huge, it's very livable. And the biggest thing is, like I said, that we can store items in the garage and the shed. That is a game changer for just the livability of this space. I'll give you a quick glance outside. We have a really decent sized patio back here, which is so nice. We're gonna fill it with chairs and an umbrella and a barbecue, all the good stuff. It also will be nice to put a little baby gate up so that Rook can play out there. We have a decently sized yard as well, which is super cool because a lot of the places we were looking at had very small backyards. We will be redoing the backyard, not completely, just filling in the slope and adding some fencing, but that won't be for a couple years yet. Yeah, so that's the backyard. There is a downstairs to this place, but you aren't gonna see that in today's video. You're gonna be seeing it in Wednesday's video. If you guys have been following me, you know that we actually bought this house with another couple. Just that was the only way we could buy a detached home in this market. And we are doing a full reno downstairs. It is not livable right now. It's just kind of like a rec room setup. So I'm gonna be doing a series on that full renovation process. And like I said, the first video will be coming out Wednesday. So that's all I have to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I get really excited about home tours, so I hope you're just as excited and I didn't disappoint. If you aren't aware, my new upload schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or you can just hit the notification bell and be told when I upload by your phone. Fantastic. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.